Hello, welcome to Microeconomics with Ntato. In this session, we are focusing on profit maximization under perfect competition. The characteristics of perfectly competitive firms are that they are price takers. They sell a homogeneous product, that is, the products are highly substitutable. For example, toothpaste brands. There is free entry and exit, and because the firms are price takers, the firm's demand curve is horizontal, and in the long run, the firm makes zero economic profit. The equation for profit is profit equals to total revenue less total cost, and total revenue equals to price times output, and total cost equals to cost times output. The firm maximizes profit when marginal revenue equals to marginal cost. This applies to all types of profit-making firms, be it under perfect competition, monopoly, oligopoly. Any firm that's profit-making, this is the condition for maximizing profit. Marginal revenue is a change in revenue resulting from a 1 unit increase in output, and marginal cost is a change in cost resulting from producing 1 additional unit of output. This is an important definition to know and understand. Given that price is a constant under perfect competition, we said that the demand curve is horizontal and hence the price is constant, then marginal revenue equals to price and equals to average revenue. So under perfect competition, profit is maximized under this condition here, where marginal revenue equals to marginal cost, but marginal revenue equals to price equals to average revenue. So let us illustrate how profit for a perfect competitive firm is determined on a graph. On this graph, we are given price on the y-axis and output on the x-axis. If we are given price of 40, then we know that our demand curve is horizontal for our perfect competitive firm. And we draw our demand curve, which is horizontal. And we label it accordingly. We said marginal revenue equals to price equals to demand curve. We then draw our marginal cost curve, our average total cost curve, and the firm's average variable cost curve. And it is important to label them accordingly: marginal cost, average total cost curve, and average variable cost curve. And we said that profit is maximized when marginal cost is equal to marginal revenue, and that is at point A. And at point A, the quantity that the firm produces is quantity 7. Let us move the 7 to here. Is quantity 7. And at that point, the profit that the firm makes, we draw a line that goes across to show the profit, is this rectangle here. And we can label this rectangle A, B, C, D. So that is the profit that the firm makes, our competitive firm makes, which is rectangle A, B, C, D. What if the firm produces at a lesser quantity, at quantity 6? So this, we will show it here at quantity 6. At quantity 6, we can see that our marginal revenue is greater than our marginal cost. So we can see here that what is lost, there is lost profit, which is shown by this area here, this red area. I'm not doing a very good job, but it is this red area here which becomes the lost profit if the firm produces at a lesser output of 6 instead of 7. What happens if the firm produces at a higher output than 7? Let's show it here. At a higher output, we see that marginal cost is greater than marginal revenue, and the lost profit is shown by this triangle here. So let us now show when a firm makes a loss, because it's not all the time that a firm makes profit. Given that the price is still at 40, we draw our horizontal line to show that our marginal revenue line, which is equals to price, equals to our demand curve. We draw the marginal cost curve, and the average total cost curve, and the average variable cost curve. And we label them, which is very important. It's marginal cost, it's average total cost, and it's average variable cost. And profit is maximized where marginal cost equals to marginal revenue, and that is at point A. And we can see that at point A, the output produced is 7. And at output 7, we draw this line here. And this shows the loss that the company has made. It is this rectangle here, and we can also label it A, B, C, D. And we can say the company has made a loss of A, B, C, D. Thanks for watching. If this lesson helped you understand perfect competition and profit maximization better, please like, subscribe, and comment below. And don't forget to join me for the next lesson, where we will be focusing on calculating the marginal revenue and the marginal cost so that we can calculate our profit. Thank you.